Hello, me from Israel. Today I want to introduce to you a really big sale. This is the trolley, and I will show you why it's really nice. This is Israel trolley. Then the other one's bigger. The other on the market you will find it's around this height, In Rome it's like this. In white it's around like this. So it's a big, huge difference. And what are the big advantage to take the Israeli trolley? If you don't have the tools inside, it's around 70 kilograms. On the market, you will find around 20 kilograms. Why? The material. This is the material. It's steel. All is steel. Here, all is steel. On the market, you will find with plastic. So this is a huge difference in quality. Here you have the storage box, also steel. The handle, also steel. Only small parts like here and here is plastic. All of other one is steel. So really nice quality. Let's see. We have $7. We have the keys to open and close. We have the first one that we have here, different riders, and also screwdrivers. They take off. Different pliers. And also this one, very structure. That's it. This is we have 26 pieces on the first drawer. The second one, we have autotest pen, 2 hammers, knife, and this is a veneer caliper. This one, and you have the 5 meters measure tape. Oh, this is really nice. Alien keys with S2 material, really nice, high quality. You can trust on this. It's really good. And oil filter, and also air gun, and tire pressure gauge. Big socket also here. The third one is we have 5 pieces, many different kind of big sockets. You can see, this is with S2 steel material, really good quality. And this is the 4 tire socket with color mark. So you need this too. The fourth one, this is 171 pieces, also with different sockets. We have also a ratchet wrench. This is, we have a complete ratchet wrench. Look, this is 1-2 inch, 3-4 inch, and this is 3-8 inch, sorry, and 1-2 inch. So we have 1, 2, 3 ratchet wrench with 7 teeth. The fifth one, combination spanners, and also adjustable wrench, and also this. Yes, we have. This one, and also we have here. And the fifth and sixth one, it's bigger, and you can organize as you wish. And the wheels, take a look. You have the breaker. So if it's on, you can move it. It's easy, very easy. Like this, you can move wherever you want. So, the drawers is smoothly sliding. So, if you need more information, you can take a look on Alibaba website. It will be a nice, really glad to receive your message. Contact us, feel free.